Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I'm going to do a quick recap of October 2022 of our buy and sell signals that our VIP members receive on an ongoing basis. In fact, we just got another one here. Trigger alert, Litecoin. It's a sell indicator, sell signal. Before I get started here, though, if you're watching this on the internet someplace, on YouTube someplace, and you want to become a VIP member, just simply scroll down into the description of this video. And there's a link down there. You can join through the co-op link. And of course, if you qualify as to get our done-for-you traffic, of course, we're going to place your referral link for the VIP membership, for the Crypto Team Build VIP membership in the co-op link. And so that when somebody clicks on it, that watches one of my videos like this, and somebody signs up, all it's going to take is 2 members to pay for your VIP membership. Yes, this is an affiliate program, and it's just going to take 2 members. Got another alert here. Pay for your membership, so keep that in mind. But our VIP members, I have several. Right now I have BNB, and we have Ethereum, and we have Dogecoin, and we have Litecoin. The alerts program, where it will go to our members' cell phones. It'll go to the members in the Team Build, VIP Team Build Telegram group. It'll go in there, and it'll go to the Discord group. So if you've joined, you'll be able to join the Telegram group and or the Discord group, and you're going to get these buy and sell signals. And I have live training to help you out, programming this chart. In fact, I'm going to put the link that you can sign up to get this chart in the description of this video. And of course, I have training videos as another alert to teach you how to set up your chart here. So you can do it yourself, and or, of course, you can get the live alerts in the VIP Telegram group and the Discord group. So you have all kinds of ways to get signals. Either do it yourself, do it through the team build, to get these alerts, all right? As with all my videos, what I'm teaching, what I'm showing you here today, always changes. It could change in the next 24 hours. We keep tweaking, we keep updating, and what you're seeing here today, chances are will change. If you're watching this a week from now or a month from now, and you see something different, it has changed, all right? Also, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel. When you like this video, of course, it's YouTube and all the algorithms out there, people who are searching for signals, crypto team signals, will find it much easier. And if you're a VIP member, of course, remember your link is in the description of this video. So it's to your advantage to make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe to my channel. You're going to also see a t-shirt on. This says, ask me about my side hustle. And of course, when you're out there and about and somebody says, well, what's your side hustle? And you can talk about how you're into crypto trading and you receive buy alerts and sell alerts, and you can give out your referral link for the crypto team build so that they're, remember, it only takes 2 to pay for your membership, 2 members. So I'm going to put the link so you can buy this shirt in the description of this video also. So for BNB, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buy alerts, buy signals. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4 sell signals. And if you'd have got in on it at the beginning of October, of course, you made money here, And of course, you sold here until it went to another buy signal here. You'd have made a little bit of money here before it told you to sell. But look at what happened here. Look at this. That was a nice run. And it's, by the way, it's still running. This is today right here. But it's still running up. So let's take a look at another one. Over here, you can see I have the alerts set up. I'll teach you how to program these alerts so that they notify you directly. If you want to set up your own charting system like I have, you can set up your own alert over here. And of course, Litecoin right here is telling me to sell. But I'll teach you how to set up your own alerts so they go to your phone, they pop up in your dashboard or your website like this. But I'll show you how to do that. We have a live training. And of course, we have training videos also. When you become a VIP member, I have a training video that teaches you step-by-step how to set all these signals up, all right? And of course, also teach you how to set up all these alerts. Now, in your charting, in the link that I put in the description of this video, you got to get a charting system. And I watch 4 coins at the same time, and you can program that yourself so you can watch 4 coins at a time, even though we have more coins programmed in here. But I always have this going on a different browser so I keep an eye on what's moving and what isn't moving, what to buy, what to sell, what might be going up, what might be going down. So let's take a look at Dogecoin. So from around the 1st of October, we had 1, 2, 3. See, Dogecoin wasn't doing too much. And of course, everybody knows that Dogecoin is connected to Elon Musk. And then, of course, Elon Musk is taking over Twitter, and look what happened. Look what happened when Elon Musk took over Twitter with Dogecoin. It started skyrocketing, and it gave you all kinds of buy and sell. You can have made some really nice money by following these buy and sell alerts. Okay, right now it's kind of in limbo. We are in a buy position, a hold position. But the orange means we're kind of in limbo. We don't know if it's going to keep going down or up. But if it crosses into the red line here, you're going to get a sell alert. Of course, that sell alert's going to be sent to you either in Telegram or the Discord group. And of course, in the Discord group, if you have it programmed right, you can actually get a notification on your cell phone. Let's take a look at another coin. Okay, starting in October here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it just went through the roof. The 25th, it went through the roof here. And of course, we had a sell. It made its run. We had a sell alert here. And it's still moving up, moving on up. And as of today, look at, it just gave us a sell alert here. Here was a quick buy. This was a sell. This is a quick buy. And it told you to get out real quick. All right. So you're going to, like I said, you'll get these notifications. I have Ethereum programmed over here. So you can get these notifications either on your phone or in Discord or in Telegram. Okay, so this is our notification for Litecoin to buy. And of course, we keep getting notifications, as you can see, for Litecoin to sell. And this happens to be in our VIP membership team build group here. So this is one of the notifications you're going to receive. Okay, so that's my October review for our crypto team build VIP group for the buy and sell signals and notifications. Until next month, November, you know what to do. Get into the description of this video, and you're going to find all the links to join everything that we happen to be working right now. So with that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Let's go make some money.